नव्या वर्सा सावन गोय जोडो मोहीम राबयतले। ब्लॉक कमिटीचे मुखेली आपल्या ब्लॉकान वचून लोकांच्यो समस्या जाणून घेतले। काँग्रेसीचो गोय प्रभारी दिनेश गुंडू राव सांगता, 8 आमदार गेले म्हूण काँग्रेस सोपूंक ना। आमचो कायद्याचेर विश्वास आसा, कायदोच तांकां धडो शिकयतलो अशें तांचें म्हणणें। म्हादयच्या बाबतींत कर्नाटक काँग्रेस कर्नाटकाच्या मुद्द्याचेर जाल्यार गोय काँग्रेस गोयच्या मुद्द्याचेर ठाम रावतले अशें तो सांगता।
It is in the similar lines in the sense that our leaders will be on the roads. They will be going around everywhere. PCC president and other leaders will go across Goa and go from each block to each block and cover as much as possible. At the same time, within the block also, our leaders will have to go around in that block. PCC president can go one day for one block. 40 blocks means 40 days is over there only. But other people will have to go, other district leaders and block leaders will have to go within their block and in the 2-month period cover all the villages and meet all the cross section of people, business people, traders, fishermen, agriculturists, mining people, workers, all kinds of people. We interact, we talk, we discuss and we tell our message and we hear their issues. Karnataka Congress will fight for Karnataka's issues. Goa Congress will fight for Goa's issues. So that is a different, see, it's like the issues have to be resolved in the level of courts and at the center. So that issue has to be resolved in a legal framework, which ultimately has to be decided by a judicial authority. That is the ultimate way that this can be resolved. And nobody can dispute.